Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin tweets on your Twitter profile. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app. Then tap on Profile that is on the left top corner of your screen. Now tap on Profile. Once you are on your profile, select the post you want to pin. Suppose this is the post I want to pin. Simply tap on 3 vertical dots. Now tap on Pin to your profile. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Pin. So that is how you pin tweets on your Twitter profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.